everyone, and welcome back to Cybrosys. Today we are diving into the world of lead generation with Odoo 17 Events module. Let's learn how to transform your events into powerful lead magnets. So guys, let me show you how a lead generation rule has been created. So before moving on to the lead generation rule, we need an event here. Okay, so I'm creating an event for us, which is a concert. Okay, a concert. So the name of the event is given as concert. Now here you have to specify the date of the event. Okay, so when the event is going to take place. So I'm just choosing the date. It will be from 17th to 18th. Okay, the time zone is given there, and then you have the option to choose the language from here, the template, tags and all. Okay, so if there is a event template which is created for such an event, means you can choose that from here. So currently I'm not choosing that. And here comes the details of the organizer, the venue, okay, the company, the responsible person, the website, and the visibility. So let's move down, and here you have the limit registration. I'm checking that and giving the number of the attendees. So the total strength or the total limit, I'm setting it as 200. Okay, so for this 200 people, I'm going to categorize the tickets. Okay, so first one I'm choosing as the event registration. The price was 30. Okay, and the maximum, number of people who can buy this ticket will be 100. So 100 people will be from the event registration ticket. Next, you have the standard tickets. Okay, for the standard ticket, I'm setting the price as 50. And the maximum number of people who can buy this is 50. Okay. Similarly, we have the VIP tickets for which the price is 100 and the maximum is 50. Okay. So 100 people out of 200, 100 people will be from the normal tickets. 50 people will be from the standard tickets, and the VIP ticket people will be 50. So I've created tickets, then you have the communication, the questions, the notes and all. So if you want to add notes here, that is instructions and all on the ticket. So whatever instruction you give here, which will be printed on the ticket. Okay, so let's just give an instruction as gates will be open by 9 a.m. Okay, so that's the message I want to print. So once it's done, what you have to do is save this manually. Okay, and from here you can invite and all. So that's not the thing which I am planning to show you. Let the event be here. Next, let's go to the configuration, and here comes the lead generation. So click on that, and you have different lead generation rules which are pre-created. I'm going to create a new one. Okay, so I'll just name it as a new rule or rule for concert or something. So let it be new rule. And here it asks create for per attendee or per order. So I'm creating it for per attendee. And when should it be created? When attendees are created, when attendees are registered, or attendees are attended. So I'll put as attendees are registered. When a person registers, that person will be converted to a lead. Okay, and here you can choose the event for which you are creating this rule. So I am creating this rule for my event, which is concert. Okay, you can add the event template or company or not. So if you're adding event template, means wherever that template is used, okay, in such cases, this rule will be generated. So here, in my case, I'm just choosing it for the event called concert. And here you have the very important part where you have to set a condition, that is set the rule. So I'm adding the condition. I'm changing it to, you have a lot of things here, okay. So I'll simply change it to email. Okay, so I'm giving where email contains at concert.com. So it's just an example, okay. You can give whatever it is. So I'm putting it as wherever the email contains such a thing, then that person should be considered. So currently we don't have any records yet. So this is the rule. Once this rule is satisfied, records will be created here. So no records are there, and then you can set default values for your leads. So I'm setting a sales team, and you can set a salesperson as well. And here you can set the tag. So let the tag be services or even product, whatever it is, okay. So a lead generation rule is also created right now. Okay, as you can see, this is 0 and the role is specified over here. Now what you are going to do is going to events, and here we have concert. So from here, let's go to website. So currently this is not yet published. Okay, I am going to publish it. You can see this concert is published. So once it's done, you have this register button. I'm going to register for it. Okay, so once you click on register, the 3 types of tickets will appear. Which one you want, you can choose that. So I'll register for the standard one. 1 ticket is enough. Okay, I'm registering. And the name and all will be given here. So I'm choosing the name as, Ronnie. And the email, ron@concert.com. Okay. So that's the email which I have given, which is ron@concert.com. And once it's done, you have to go to payment and complete the registration process. So I'm confirming it. So you have to enable the payment gateways and all, right? So I'm just going to enable the option to do the payment. So you can simply click on this view alternatives and it will take you to the payment providers where I'm going to install demo. Okay. So clicked on install here. And then you can see it's in test mode right now. Okay. So going back to events, opening the events. So this is the concert. Now that person didn't complete the registration. Okay. So, but let's just go and check the lead generation, whether there is any record right now. You can see there is 1 record. Okay, just click on that and see. This is the one which we have registered right now. Okay, so he didn't confirm the status. Okay, that's why the status is given as unconfirmed. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll go to the event section, open the concert, go to the website. Okay, so I'm registering and I'm choosing the ticket here. Register. So the name I'm giving it as Jerry. So Jerry at concert.com. Going to the payment and completing the procedure. Okay, confirming. Pay now. So the payment is done. Okay, this person has registered successfully. So if you just skip all these steps, you can see, thank you for your order. The order number is given here. Okay, so all the details regarding the payment is given there. And then you have the option to print the ticket. So let's go to configuration, open the lead generation and see whether leads have been created or records have been found. If you go right now, you can see 2 records are there. One is the Jerry, that is the attendee Jerry, which we created right now. You can see the status is registered. Okay, and the other one is Ronnie, for whom also, we've registered it. Okay, so this is basically how a role is set in the lead generation. And once a person registers, that record has been added over here. Okay, so this is basically how you do it.